Hi, welcome to this video. How to get more views on Instagram Reels. To get more views on Instagram Reels, focus on creating strong hook within the first 3 seconds using trending audio and keeping video short, like under 10-15 seconds to maximize a completion rate. Consistently posting high value content that encourages shares, engaging early with comments, and use relevant hashtags and topics are also crucial for boosting reach. Right, so master the first 3 seconds. Okay, when you're creating a post, right, make sure to focus on creating a strong hook. Right, those 3 seconds you're never gonna get back if the viewer is not interested. Use trending audio. Okay, make sure to use a trending audio from here, from the Instagram library. Okay, to basically to leverage trending topics and keep it short and punchy. Shorter, punchier videos, right, under 10 seconds often have higher replay value and completion rates. And focus on shares and saves. Create relatable or educational content that encourages users to share or save the reel. And according to the Reddit thread, responding to comments promptly after posting signals engagement to the algorithm. Right. Use relevant, searchable keywords in your caption and include 3 to 5 or up to 30 specific hashtags. Right. And repost your best performing reels after a few weeks with a new cover or caption. And share your reels to your story. Like, for example, here, this is my reel. All I gotta do is just hit share and hit add to story. Okay, add text overlays like here on the screen. Add text on the screen for viewers who watch without sound. So high quality only. Remove any watermarks. Use proper framing and reply to comments. Link related content and analyze and repeat. Right. So you can also use the feature of linking a reel. So when you're posting a reel here, right, let me switch here to hit the plus one. Yeah, reel. Hit continue. Next, you can use link a reel here to connect a new content to an old popular posts, right? And use insights to see what works and do it again. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.